In this video, you will learn how to use the Hrefresh capability to configure an agent and synchronize changes from server to the agent machine, to get latest changes in one instance using the Hrefresh UDP in the promote or demote processes. Let's see how to configure an agent and sync changes from server to an agent machine in one instance using promote or demote process with an example. Connect to Harvest SCM Broker and log in to Harvest SCM Administrator using your credentials. Navigate to Active Projects and select CA Harvest SCM Increment 1 for this example. Navigate to States, Development, Processes. Right-click New, and select Promote Process. Provide the name and the test state from the Promote to drop-down list. In the Access tab, click the Add button and select the Developer User Group. In the Post Link tab, click New to create a UDP process. Select the process and provide the name and program details. In the program text box, provide the command as hrefresh-b broker name, -pr project name, -st state name, -nst next state name, -cfg configuration file. Select the type as server. In the input box, provide package version. Connect to Harvest SCM server using your credentials. Open the folder named hrefresh_tutorial in C drive in your server that you have created in the first use case video. Observe that a subfolder named log is available in Hrefresh folder. Create a configuration file with following: project name, state, checkout method, view path, remote agent host path, reference directory type, remote agent computer name or IP address, remote agent port number, first DFO file containing the username and password of CA Harvest SCM user, and the second DFO file containing the username and password of agent user. You may choose to name the configuration file per your requirement. However, use the same configuration name as a parameter to -cfg file. If you do not provide -cfg option, hrefresh command uses hrefresh.cfg, by default. If client path mentioned in .cfg file does not exist, hrefresh creates it automatically. Notice that the .dfo files are available in the hrefresh_tutorial folder that you have created in the first use case video. Now, log in to Workbench using your credentials. Navigate to CA Harvest SCM Increment 1, Development. Select a package which you wish to promote. Example, V13 Workbench JRE Installer Upgrade. Right-click and select Hrefresh_promote process. Select a package which you wish to promote. Example, V13 Workbench JRE Installer Upgrade. The files which were checked out using this package will now be promoted to test state. Check the log subfolder created in the Hrefresh folder in your server. Navigate to your agent machine and check to see that the latest changes from CA Harvest SCM Increment 1 are copied. Notice that the promoted files are present both in development and test client path. In this video, you learn how to configure an agent and sync changes from server to the agent machine in one instance using promote or demote process. Thank you for watching this video.